Andy, training day, how's it going so far, man?
It's great, man. Simple to use. Everything you told me it was gonna be, it's all that and more, man.
Right on. You excited to get out there and start cracking these dumpsters?
I'm pumped, man. I have some appointments tomorrow.
Let's go.
So I'm Andy Zapien,
I'm Galen.
and we're Southwest Bin and Pressure Washing. Starting this business means a lot. We've put a lot of planning and time and effort into this. We're really looking forward to giving back to our community and providing a new service to them. I was really looking for somebody that was easy to work with, extremely responsive. It was Greg and team answering the phone whenever I'd call, answering my texts or emails in an extremely timely manner. Any questions I had regarding competitors or anything else that was in the market about these sanitation machines and trucks, they were there with really strong answers and really knew their stuff. So in turn, built the trust, built a solid relationship over the phone and email, and caused us to make some moves, man. Price point wasn't so much of a deal as much as getting the product that we really wanted, and having the 2-in-1 eco wash machine was exactly what I wanted to find and found it in EWI.